the type conversions. Uh, See, whenever you declare an integer, int n is equal to 10, and declare a number this and declare double now, double m is equal to some 11.5. So when you use the print statement, it directly prints them. But let's say if I type int k is equal to and assign this m value there, I'll get a compilation error itself. You see, it's telling double cannot be assigned to integer. In that case, what I want to do is I can use typecasting. Before that, let's say this 11.5 is assigned to a string like this. So here, if I want to assign this value to a double, even though it contains a decimal inside, I will get an error telling string isn't a type we can assign to it. So in that case, what I can do is I can use the parse function. Parse is available in the num object, num namespace, num dot parse. So it will read the string data and convert it to whatever data type it has. Let me use it in the print function. So again, you need to use typecasting only for this, but let's see in the print function. Num.parse will just check for alphanumeric values and will give the error. We cannot assign it directly. String m 11.5, sir. Let me assign it directly also and see. Let's say see 11.5 j k. It's alphanumeric, right? When I run this, I will get a compilation error. Format exception. So this parse will convert to only numbers, and instead of print, let's keep like this. K is equal to m. So this parse function will give me errors if the string contains any alphanumeric, so that it will restrict to inputs to only numbers. But if I assign to a double statement, I am giving an error. It's getting an error, right? So what I can do, I can try casting. Let's see, typecast dot. See, string to int, string to double, into double, and all. So in double dot parse we need to use. Instead of num dot parse, it is just doing it generically. Instead of that, I will use double dot parse. So it will give me a double value directly. I mean, so I think num dot parse k. Let me keep this here and print k. So it's correct. It's used in assigning also, so it's not a problem. But this num is common for integers and double. So if you want to specifically restrict to double, you can use this. Let's say I keep int cousin present a variable type. Okay, let me keep is int. So I'll get only the integer part here. And got error. Okay. So 11.5 it is not converting. I can use truncate function. Delete decimal to integer typecast. Dot. It's taking so much time. This is a sample code. Truncate to int. Okay, to integer. I can use double dot parse and then use to int function, so that it will be converted to integer. See, the decimal part is gone. That's it for this video.